A very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your online studies. And see your online videos on time. You see your videos on time? Yes or no? Very good. So, do study, practice for your annual exam and revision. Now it's time for revision time. So, write in your notebook revision time. Take out your notebook. Which notebook? EVS. Which period is going on? EVS period is going on. So take out your EVS notebook and write down the heading revision time. We have done in your previous video odd one out. You understand what is odd one out? Then vegetables and transports name. So we have done all three questions. Now we move to question number 4. What is question number 4? Look at the board. Question 4 is fruits name. Fruits name. Now you write the names and learn the names of fruits. Write the names of fruit and learn the spellings of fruits. So first you make a picture, then write the spelling. Okay. So first you make a picture of what is this? You write down side of your notebook. Spelling of apple. This is an apple. This is an apple. So what is the spelling of apple? A double P L E. Apple. You write down the spelling of apple. Right here. Once again write down the spelling of apple. A double P L E. Apple. How many times you write the spelling of apple? 5 times. And read the spelling and learn the spelling of apple. Right here, A double P L E. Apple. Once again, A double P L E. Apple. Apple means seed. So right here, spelling of apple, full page. Then move to the next fruit. So first you complete spelling of apple, then move to the next. Write fast, then write next spelling. Complete first this spelling, then write next. Number 2 is write down the spelling of mango. M-A-N-G-O. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Spelling of mango is M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Once again, write down the spelling of mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. How many times? 5 times you write the spelling of mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. 4 times I am right and you write 5 times in your notebook. You have place, I have no place, but you have place, so you write down till the last line. Spelling of mango. Okay, so complete second spelling, then write next. Complete fast. Okay, now next is picture of banana. Okay, what is this? Banana. Now what is the spelling of banana? B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. This is a banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. All letters are small letters. So you make all letters are small. B-A-N-A-N-A. Once again. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. It's a fruit. Banana is a fruit. So you write 5 times in your notebook spelling of banana, spelling of mango and spelling of apple. A for apple, M for mango and B for banana. So write down in your EVS notebook and practice for writing and learn also spellings. You have to practice for writing also and learning also. So you learn the spellings and write the spellings. All the 3 spellings of fruits name: apple, mango and banana. And how to revise the spellings like A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. You repeat after me. You also revise from your notebook. So figure out all the letters and one time you read all the spelling like A-P-P-L-E, apple. M-A-N-G-O, mango. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Write fast. Write fast all the 3 names of fruits. This is your question number 4. The question number 1 is odd one out. Then question number 2 is vegetables name. Question number 3 is transport name. Question number 4 is fruits name. Then move to the next question is question number 5. What is question number 5? After this we'll write the next heading. Is your heading fruits name? Now change the heading. So first you complete, then write question number 5. Complete it. All the names you have to write 5 times. Okay, it is compulsory for you. All the fruits you write the 5 times. And then learn the spelling. After this completion, you write the question number 5. Your next heading is pet animals. Okay, so first you complete the heading and then write the animals. So first write down PET, pet, animals, 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 pet animals. So complete your heading. After this write first picture. What is this? Write down the name of pet animals. Write the names of the pet animals. So, what is this? Cat. This is a cat. So, write here CAT. Cat. One more time. Write the spelling of cat. 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 In my board, I am writing for 4 times. But in your notebook, you write 5 times CAT, cat. How to write? Write down till the last line. Cat. Pet animals, CAT, cat. Cat is a pet animal. Complete it. After cat, move to the next. What is next? Next is dog. Now make a picture of dog. Make a box, standing line, sitting line. Leg of the dog, eyes, ears and mouth. So this is a dog. Then what is the spelling of dog? D-O-G, dog. All letters are small letters. Once again, D-O-G, dog. Dog is a pet animal. D-O-G, dog. Dog is a pet animal. Then D-O a dog. You read the spelling and write the spelling. How many times? 5 times. 5 times you write the spelling of cat, cat, and 5 times you write the spelling dog, dog. Those are pet animals. First, one time you make a picture and then write the names. Complete all the 2 names, then move to the next. Next is rat. So the picture of rat and write down the spelling of rat. Make a picture of rat. Rat. So write down the spelling of rat. What is the spelling? Small r, small a, small t. Rat. R A R A T. Rat. R A T. Rat. R A rat. All the right spelling for 5 times. 5 times you write cat, 5 times you write dog, and 5 times you write rat. All the 3 animals are pet animals. Complete it. Fast, fast. First you complete, then revise the names. Revise the names like C-A-T, cat. This is a cat. D-O-G, dog. This is a dog. R-A-T, rat. This is a rat. So all the names in your syllabus of pet animals. So you complete it. Now your question number 4 is done. Now you have 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is odd one out, number 2 is vegetables name, number 3 is transports name, number 4 is fruits name, and number 5 is pet. You have 5 questions. You have done 5 questions of your revision. So please practice for your exam and revision for all the 5. Now next question we have done in your next video. So bye and have a nice day. Bye. Take care.